In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint fractal camouflage. Prep work consists of full disassembly, degreasing, and abrasive blasting. The base coat for this project is black. With our base coat here, we'll apply our first set of stencils. The stencil pack we use in this video is available on our website freedomstencils.com or by clicking the link in the description below. I like to start by weeding the stencil pack to make the shapes easier to see. Our first round of stencils will be the smaller and medium shapes from sheets 1 and 2 of the pack. Our second color will be a medium gray. Next, we'll apply more medium-sized stencil shapes. Our third color will be light gray. Our last round of stencils will be the larger shapes from sheets 3 and 4 of the stencil pack. Our fourth color will be white. Next, we will remove our stencils. For an added detail, we'll dust the low-lying areas with black and distress with some fine steel wool. That completes fractal camouflage. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can also support this channel by visiting freedomstencils.com. Thanks for watching.